Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to tag someone on Instagram reel. First step is open your Instagram app from your mobile device. Then create your reel. Then tap create reel. Then create a reel. Then tap preview. Got it? Then tap the add text. Then tap add the date and the username, the person or business. Then tap next. Then tag people and tap plus icon. Type the username of the person or business. Tap the username as it come up. Then tap done and tap next. Then tap share. Publish your reel. Then you can see your reels are shared with this person.
There is also a problem with this video. So ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.